This is Luis Reyes, video for Morris 4x4 and Tuffy. Once again, this is the passenger side. This one does pull out all the way, but it does get stuck every once in a while. There's one of the screws bolt that's missing that's come off. So like this one doesn't have a little hinge here. I think it's normal, but the driver's side does. Because you guys can answer that for me. Let's go to the driver's side. That's what I got from you guys. The LOD bumper, the tire carrier, these hinges as well, and this is the driver's side. It doesn't open all the way. There's one of the washers, and more. This one has more bolts missing. Still haven't used it. Anyway, you guys can help me out. Thank you very much.